Hey everybody, after a long time, today we're finally going to be replacing the grips on our Trek 8.3 Dual Sport with these new grips by Ergon grips. These are the GA2s, size large. I just picked these up from the local REI today. As you can tell, these are lock-on grips. Pretty cool. First set I've had of these that are going to be going on this 8.3 Dual Sport. And I'll just go ahead and show you a little before and after of what it looks like. Taking off the old grips and replacing them with these new ones. Just a quick, fun little video. Stay tuned. Today we're going to be replacing our standard SPD pedals on our Trek 8.3 Dual Sport with these new PD-A530s. Let's take these out of the box and see what they look like. There's all the hardware you're going to need for the bottom of your shoes, basically the cleats. I won't need these. And here's the pedals. These are pretty cool. The reason I got these is because obviously you got the clips on the bottom and then you've got a flat pedal on the top. It's going to make this 8.3 Dual Sport a little bit more versatile. I can have a little bit more fun on it on the flat side of the pedals, but when I'm commuting long distance I'm still going to have the lock-in, you know, what they call clipless, even though they're actually clips. Call them clipless on the other side. So kind of make them a little bit more versatile. The ones I've got on there right now are just completely clipless pedals. So looking forward to doing this replacement, this little swap out. Kind of show you before and after. Not going to walk you through the whole process. Going to just show you what it looks like. So just stay tuned.